Hello students, today we will learn about Armstrong number. Suppose you are given a number 370. It's a 3-digit number, right? So we'll take n equals to 3 as there are 3 digits in the given number. Now do the sum of all the individual digits with the power n. So the given number was 370. So we will take 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 0 cube, that is equals to 370. Well, that's exactly matches to our given number. So it's an Armstrong number. So what is definition? If the given number is equals to the sum of n power of each digit present in the integer, then that number can be an Armstrong number. So let's see its code base. So first of all, we have to take an input number equals to int input enter number, and after that we have to take a variable temp which will store our actual number, and digit count which will count the total digit of our given number, while temp is greater than 0, digit count equals to digit count plus 1, and temp equals to temp double slash 10. Now see what we are doing here. Let us suppose we are taking a number 370. Now 370 will be stored in this variable temp. Then temp, that means 370 is greater than 0. Yes. Then digit count will be incremented by 1. So this 0 will become 1. And temp equals to temp double slash 10. What it actually do, it will divide the value 370 double slash by 10, and which will give you 37. And again 37 is greater than 0. Digit count is again incremented by 1. Now the value of digit count is 2, and temp equals to temp double slash 10, that is 37 double slash 10, which will give you the output 3. Now 3 is again greater than 0. Okay, then digit count will again incremented by 1, and the digit count will be 3, and temp equals to temp double slash 10, that means 3 double slash 10, it will become 0. So 0 is greater than 0 is false, then hence it will comes out from the loop. Now temp equals to number, and result equals to 0, and reminder equals to 0. Again we are taking while loop, but this time what we are going to do is we are taking each digit and powered it by 3 and find the sum of that digit. So temp is greater than 0, and reminder equals to temp modulus 10, and result equals to result plus reminder into digit count. After that, temp equals to temp double slash 10. Now look at this fourth line of code very carefully. So in this we are taking the actual number, and said temp will store 370. Then 370 is greater than 0, true. To 370 modulus 10, which will give the output at first 0. So reminder will store 0, then result equals to 0 plus reminder that is 0 to the power digit count that is 3. So first it will store 0. Now temp equals to temp double slash 10, which will give you the output 370 10, that is 37. So 37 is greater than 0, again is true. Then 37 modulus 10, which will give you the output 7. Then result equals to 0 plus reminder to the power digit count. So reminder this time it will be 7. So 7 cube 7 into 7 into 7, which will give you the output 343. So this time result will store this value 343. Again temp equals to temp double slash 10, that is 37 double slash 10, which will give you the output 3. Again 3 is greater than 0, true. Reminder equals to 3 modulus 10, which will give you the output 3. 3 result equals to 343 plus reminder, that is 3 to the power 3, which will give you the output 343 plus what is the cube of 3, that is 27. So it becomes total 370. So temp equals to temp double slash 10, that is 3 double slash 10, which will again give you the output 0. Now 0 is greater than 0 is false. So hence it will comes out from the loop. Let me clean up this. And what this value stores, result store in the final loop, that is 370. So this time we are comparing number with result. If this matches, then it will be an Armstrong number. So print it's an Armstrong number. Else print not an Armstrong number. So this is the program to check whether a number is Armstrong or not. Let's say it's worked perfectly or not. So 370, and it's an Armstrong number.